What's going on, y'all? Man, this your boy Young Rock, and welcome to my unboxing. Today is Friday. You know, I just got work and stuff, so I'll be busy all this week at work. So, well, today unboxing was a new game, so I got the package right now. So, let's check it out. It's the package right here. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got. How y'all been doing? So, here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Hoo-hoo. Y'all ready for it? Yoshi Craft World. Here's the front. And here's the back. It says, "A new Yoshi adventures unfold. Discover high secrets and handcraft levels. Play flip side, play together, and you do front and flip too. And then here's the light. You could play one or two players and dock and on. There you go. And that's for E for mid cartoon violence. So let's open bad book, shall we? I love this. All right. Put this right there. Ooh. That smells so good. There you go. That's how it looks. And this, I look like this. So that's how you play. See, it's a cartridge. I'm about to play that too very soon, so I'm gonna zoom it for you. There you go. And here's the front. Here's the back. Thank you for the unboxing for this. That's real short for Yoshi Craft War game. So yeah, I hope y'all picked this up. It came out today, so y'all check it out. I'm about to check this out. I played a demo. It's real good. I love it. So stay tuned for more unboxing. I'm gonna do some more very soon because I'll be busy and be working a lot. So y'all wanna follow me on my Twitter. So it is I am Young Rock. That's my Twitter name, and then my Instagram, I am Young Rock. So y'all check me out, see what's up. So y'all have a good weekend and peace out. One.